In a small village, nestled between rolling hills, Nurse Maria played a pivotal role in the community's well-being. With limited resources, she became the heartbeat of the local health center. Every day, she tended to the sick, provided comfort to worried families, and educated the community about preventive care. One day, a severe illness swept through the village, affecting families indiscriminately. As panic set in, Nurse Maria's calm presence became a beacon of hope. She worked tirelessly, offering not just medical care, but also emotional support to those grappling with fear and uncertainty. Through her efforts, the village began to heal. Maria's role extended beyond administering medications. She became a pillar of strength, embodying the essence of the nursing profession. Families expressed gratitude not just for the treatments, but for Maria's ability to soothe their anxieties and instill a sense of resilience. As the village recovered, the importance of nursing became indelibly clear. Maria's compassion had not only cured physical ailments, but had also woven a tapestry of trust and community resilience. The small health center transformed into a hub of hope, showcasing that nursing is not merely a profession. It is a lifeline that binds communities together, nurturing both body and soul.
Thanks for watching. Join our community and subscribe our YouTube channel, Khowar Talim, for more. Your subscription will be appreciated.